Happy Halloween, everyone! In the spirit of Halloween, this tree is called the slash pine. It's actually endemic to the southeastern United States, meaning it's not found anywhere else in the world, and it's native here as well. If you look closely at the bark, you might notice it's very flaky. This is a defense mechanism for the tree to help protect it against fires from damaging the inside of the tree. Even though the slash pine has a spooky name, I'm always sure to give it a nice hug because it can help reduce stress, improve your mood, and maybe even give you some immune benefits. Happy Halloween!